Hi guys, how are you today? So we'll be installing an GPS mount, that is like a mobile holder or a GPS mount, whatever you call. We will be installing that on a PS6 2021 Himalayan. Okay, we are going to install that on my GPS on my Himalayan bike. So first of all, I would appreciate ADV Touring. I have purchased this product from ADV Touring. This is a startup company. I have purchased this from ADV Touring, and the phone number is they communicate only through WhatsApp. I was not having enough idea about this company, so I'm not sure whether I will receive it or not, because I received it. I came to know about this product only through online, so I was not very much sure how good is that company. But however, I received this Himalayan BS6 2021 GPS mount without any problem. They were so helpful. They were so helpful. Actually, but the problem I had is with the courier, because they wanted to help me and they spent a lot of money, and they sent it through a professional courier. Unfortunately, that guy, or a professional courier guy, they took some other they didn't deliver it on time. That is one problem. But however, I have received it through a professional courier, and they I'm telling you, they have paid additional 300 rupees or something just for me to just to satisfy my purchase. So what happens is, this is how you install. It is so simple. You just have to unscrew these two windshield screws, and that side again it is going to be the same thing. Unscrew this two screws, stock screws, and install it. This package comes with only three piece, that is three piece, like two sides and one center, which is a GPS holder, and two screws for that top part. That is the thing we received in the package. Other than that, here it is all going to be the stock screws while near your the windshield. So this is how it is installed. As every other online purchaser, I had a few doubts, or I was not so confident in purchasing this. That is like, I have never heard about this ADV Touring, so I was worried whether it is a genuine or not. Seriously, they are very much genuine, and I'm really happy with the purchase, and I'm really happy to inform you that ADV Touring is a very good company, and they help the customer. And only thing is, you will have to order it only through WhatsApp. Please contact them through WhatsApp or Instagram. I will provide you the link. Okay, so they communicate everything, all the orders. Like they have some they have a lot of products for Himalayan, like crossbar and a lot of things, and I was very much interested, since I am on my way to a big journey. So I wanted a GPS mount. I was looking everywhere. I was not confident, but however, I went ahead and ordered this, and I was waiting for maybe 3 or 4 days. They said like normal shipping would be at least 7 days or something. They used to send it through speed post, but just because I told them that after making the payment, I told them that I need it very urgent. So then they didn't ask me any extra money, and they went ahead and paid the shipping for 300 rupees or something. I'm so happy with the purchase from these guys. So they communicate, again I'm telling you, they communicate only through WhatsApp, so you don't have to worry. So far I have purchased this GPS mount and I have received it. Okay, so I can guarantee you on this. If you want, you can communicate or order it, whatever the products. I will give you the WhatsApp number is there. You can WhatsApp, and so that you will get to know they have lot of other products available. I will show you. You can see here, these are the products which is available on their WhatsApp thing. and you can order it through WhatsApp. Okay. And first, and the next problem I had is like, since no big company is able to manufacture a GPS mount for this BS6 Himalayan 2021 model, and I'm not confident like whether there will be a GPS mount or not. But when I asked them that it is a perfect fit, they said it is a perfect fit and you will not have any problem with this GPS mount. So then I was not sure because like it will hit the glass. So after installing, this is how I tested. There was a very small airline gap which was available, and you would think that it will have a vibration or a vibrating noise while riding the bike, but I did not get any vibrating noise on both the side. It was not touching the glass. Okay, it was rock solid, and it was so good. And we had, yes, this is a new product, and I had a few problems. Maybe my mechanic did not install it properly. That is one thing. I will tell you what all the problems I faced. Okay, so first of all, if you look at it very clearly, on the trip meter side and on the speedometer side, the trip meter side, it was touching the trip meter. It was, I would say, like it was very much compact, and it was touching the trip meter. Yes, it was jam packed and it was touching the trip meter, and the trip meter started to make noise when I went above 60 or 70 kilometer speed. So it was making a very rattling noise. So then I kept a small rubber on the near the trip meter. And here, if you see that GPS mount or mobile holder or this cigarette light charger, I was not able to install because the rod is very it is smaller than normal handlebar rod. So then I have to put some additional rubber so that I was able to put my GPS mount there.
Hi guys, good morning. So right now we are going to test this GPS mount. This is kind of a small test ride so that you can get to know how does it look and all these things. So what we are planning to do is we will go on a test ride to see like how the GPS mount is it solid, and is it vibrating or something like that. We will go ahead and see that. Okay, that is what we are going to see here. And apart from that, we will also see if this is stable. I don't know what happened to this. Did you see the vibration? Were you able to notice the vibration? Yeah, see this. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show you. Actually, this is how it is, and hopefully the voice is getting recorded. Even I'm new to this motovlog. Please correct me if I'm wrong in any way. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. So finally, after installing all this thing, this is how it looks, and it's rock steady, and I don't feel any shake. So I can have a charger wire connected here, and I am not keeping it vertical. I'm not keeping it in a horizontal position because the first thing is this will hit here in this GoPro mount. So this is addition. This is addition. Additionally, I did it. So it is my mistake, and it is not ADV Touring's mistake, okay, or GPS mount's mistake. So don't please ignore that. I don't see any shake in this. It is rock steady. Okay, it's very cold here. It's very cold. This horn which I made is to match two cameras footage. That's why I have done that. Okay, so, I used to use this ring to call my friends from when they are at home, and this is the signal we used to give to make them come out. Okay. Oh! Sometimes here people take immediate ride without even turning on the turn signal. That's just one problem here. Since actually I have added some additional rubber, I don't see a vibration in normal rides, but I'm not sure how to tell that. And if it is going to vibrate a lot, that is phone camera would get spoiled. So it is points to note for ADV Touring, so that they can come up with some bigger rod. This rod, no, little bigger, If they make this rod little bigger, like as a handlebar rod, then it will be nice. I can go around 100 km speed without any problem. I don't know my 360 camera would stay in place or not. This Google map was showing something else, because like I just I put somewhere else like Charminar, just to show you guys how it looks. Okay. Oh my god. This is how you feel like when you are riding without gears, and if you wanted to go on a top speed, this is how you will feel. This guy, my mechanic, he tightened this. There is a screw behind this thing. He tightened it so well that I'm not able to untight it. I'm not able to loosen the screw itself. It's so tight. I don't know. I don't want to. If I do something, I'm afraid that screw will break. Yeah, that is made of plastic. I wanted a GPS mount for a very long time, because like, see, each and every time I have to look down like this. So then I will actually, first thing is I'll miss the sudden brake in front of me. Second thing, sudden brake in front of me. If someone is going to stop the car suddenly, then it will be a problem for me. Second thing is like if I lock the screen, I will not get to see. I lock the screen. If there is any silent notification, I will not get to see that. That is one more thing which I am really worried about. See, this notification. This is what I am talking about. I will not get to see here when it is mounted here. So that is one thing which I was very much worried. Right now the issue is resolved. So how are you guys? How do you feel it? Is it do you like this GPS mount? Please let me know. This is how the GPS mount looks like. Hope you are able to see it. Okay. Okay, this is cross, or this is doing something. It is all mistake by my mechanic, because he is tightened it so bad. So I'm not able to adjust this cross or horizontal or vertical or whatever it is. That is going to be my mistake or my mechanic's mistake. So don't blame ADV Touring for that. Okay. That's it, guys. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay.
So that's it, guys. Actually these are the points I would go ahead and ignore, because it is not going to make any big difference, or it is not going to give me any issues. And since I have installed additional rubber and my issue is resolved, I wanted a GPS mount and it is done. Okay. And so if you wanted to order this, please find the link in the description. And thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye.